Okay, no need. Okay, B. Okay, okay. Very good, Simran. That's good. Only one incorrect. Otherwise, all were correct. That's a great thing. Very good. So, Simrat, just a second. So,
Sir, I
let
had a
me.
doubt
Yes, Simrat, tell me, dear. Let's solve your doubt here
for
in
the second question only.
this.
Yes,
Yes,
for
Simrat,
the
tell me what's your doubt.
B part only. If I wrote like it's y by 5, and if I did the reciprocal and just wrote 5, that would be wrong, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Basically, Simrat, let me explain it to you, dear. Now, Simrat, tell me, if you multiply y into 1, so y will be there automatically. Can I write this thing y by 5 as 1 by 5 into y?
Yes.
Yes. And now, Simrat, if I multiply whole term with 5, so equations will be same, yes or no?
Yes.
Why? Because if you multiply 5 here, you are also multiplying 5 on the right hand side with 0. So it's
Yes.
basically nothing. Is there any change?
No.
No, no. So you can also write this equation as 5x minus y minus 50. So in that case, your a will be 5, y will be 1, minus 1, sorry, and c will be minus 50. Got it?
Okay. Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Now clear?
Yes.
Okay. Just give me a moment so that we start the new topic. Basically, we will do some question of this as well first. Then we will start the new topic. Basically, solutions of linear equations we are going to start. Simrat, your school is following the rationalized book of NCRT or an old book of NCRT?
The new book.
New book. Okay. So your preparation is going good. Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, Simran, so let's start the second topic. Basically, there are not much. So, Simran, have you got this point? How to identify coefficients of, you can say,
Yes.
any doubt?
No.
No, the NCRT has very less number of questions, and right now for 9th class, I don't have much material. For 10th, I have the material. Okay, so let's start the solution of the NCRT. Sorry, solution of the linear equations. Simrat, now tell me, dear. Basically, solution means if there is an equation, suppose there is equation 3x plus 5 equals to 10. Let me write it in this way. Not 3x. Let me write as 5x plus 10y is equals to 15. Okay, this is the equation. So basically, solution means that we have to find the specific values of x and y so that the equations become equation gets satisfied. Which means that we have to we have to put some value of x and y so that we can get equation satisfied. We can satisfy the equation. Is that clear? So now, Simrat, assume that, so first thing is that how to calculate the solutions of a linear equation. First thing is, first make the 0x to get the value of y, and then make the value of y to get the value of x. Got it? Let me write down here. Let me make a box here so that you can understand a little bit. Suppose this is a box in which yeah. The equation is 5x plus 10y equals to 15. X and y. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
I've told you that put the value x 0. I'm putting x 0.
Yes.
Now, Simrat, 5 into 0 plus 10y equals to 15. This is 0. Yes or no? 5 into
Yes.
0 is 0 now.
Yes.
10y equals to 15. So y will be 15 by 10, which is 3 by 2. 5 3 is the 15, 5 2 is the 10. So if we put the value x here, we have got one pair 0 and 3 by 2. At x is equals to 0, y will be 3 by 2. Clear, Simrat? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is this point clear to you?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Why will y go in division?
Yes, what?
Why will y go in division? I mean,
It's not division. It's a box. It's not division. It's a pair basically. You will write the solution as 0, 3 by 2. I told you coordinates. This will be written as the thing.
no. Over there, why will we write y equal to 10 by 15?
Simrat, 10 will be get divided na, by 15. It's in multiplication. It will get divided.
Yeah. Okay.
Got it? Now,
Yes.
Simrat, if I put y equals to 0, our value of x will be here. Yes or no?
Yes.
5x, 10 into 0 equals to 15. So this will become 0. So x will be 15 by 5, which is 3. So now tell me, we have got another pair 3, 0.
Yes.
This is the solution, Nasimrat.
Yes.
These are some values which is basically satisfying the equation. Simrat, write these value, put this value into this. This will be equals to 15. Or if you take 15 here, this will be equals to 0. This will become 0 because 15 here with these terms and 15 minus this term. Suppose I'm writing 0 and 3 by 2 in the equation. Clear?
Yes.
Calculate. This will be 0 plus
Yes.
2 5s are 10. 5 3s are 15 minus 15 equals to 0. Yes or no? So this is 0.
Yes.
So 0 is equals to 0, which is true, which means that it is satisfying. Any doubt?
Yes. No.
Sure.
Yes.
Be sure. Are you sure now? I don't want any confusion
Yes.
in this topic because it's a very important topic. Numericals will be coming from this topic.
No, it's easy.
It's easy now. How to calculate?
Yes.
First, put the value of
Yes.
x equals to 0. You will get y. So one pair will be completed. One solution is there. 0 and something. What is the value of 5? Let it be. Okay. And after that, put the value of y equals to 0. You will get the value of x. So another pair you will get.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So, and the second thing, let's suppose if I put x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 as well. Now, Simran, tell me, if I put x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 is equals to 15, yes or no? 5 and 10, 15 equals to 15. Is this true or false?
Yes. True.
It's true, na?
Yes.
So our condition is getting satisfied. So in the most scenario, up to 4 solution will be asked in the schools. Like linear equation can have infinite solutions. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure. So let me
Yes.
write it here. So next, just a second. So your next pair is 1, 1. So these are
1.
called as the solution of the linear equation. So let me write down here. Okay, any doubts, Simrat?
No.
Sure.
Yes.
So this is how you have to calculate the solutions of a linear equation. Let's take one example and do it. So now, Simrat, are you practicing with the theory which I've told you in the previous class about the 70 and 10 marks?
Yes.
So first complete your 70 marks. Then if the time will be there, we will do that 10 marks portion as well. Because, but 70 marks portion is much greater than the 10 marks. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what's our responsibility? We have to revise the first 70 marks portion. If the time will be remaining, we will be doing the 10 marks portion as well. But our first priority will be 60 to, we have to score at least 60 to 70 marks. Isn't it a good score out of 80?
Yes.
Even if you have scored out, like if you have attempted the questions of 60 to 65 marks, after deduction, it would be around 50 to 55 marks out of 80. So isn't it a good marks?
Yes.
How much, what's your highest score in mathematics?
Till last year, 52
52 out of 100.
out of 80.
Out of 80. So now tell me, so even you have covered not complete syllabus, but still you are able to score the marks which is equal to the whole syllabus. Yes or no? So that's your
Yes.
first job is to revise, revise, and revise.
Yes.
You will, like, if you revise, like practice questions in a much better way, so we'll score even 65 as well.
Yes.
Out of 70 and 8, out of 70 at least, or 60 at least, you will be able to score at least 90% of 60 marks.
Yes.
Okay. So first thing, at least the revise and practice questions as much as you can. Okay.
Yes.
Just a second. Yes, Adnan.
Yeah,
Are you there?
I guess the wrong time. My meeting is 7:45. That's why just logging off.
Okay, okay. Yes, that's it. Okay, no issues.
Okay, thanks.
Just a second. Now, Simrat, we have the question here. What the question is saying, you have to just make a box which is like this. In that box, you have to make four separate boxes, basically divisions, because it's asking four different solutions. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Very good. So, dear, practice the numerical as much as you can. So, XY is here. And when you will complete the whole syllabus, then you will be able to score a good marks. Like out of 80, I'm sure that you will score above 70. I'm sure that like the progress I've seen in you is very immense, very good. You are doing hard work as well. That's a very great sign. You will achieve the 70 marks border in the final exams. I'm sure. If you practice and revise the concept which I'm basically teaching you. Okay. I will put my complete efforts. So your responsibility also is to put the complete efforts at your end as well. Okay.
Yes.
That's very good. So the equation is basically x plus 2y equals to 6. Simran. First thing, make x or y equals to 0. Any of the term you can start with y equals to 0 or x equals to 0. I'm saying that x is equals to 0. So now Simran, first solution is x plus 2y equals to 6. And I'm writing x plus into 0 equals to 6. So what I will get, x is equals to 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
This will become 0, Nadia.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
First solution we have got.
Yes.
Second solution, x plus 2y equals to 6. I'm writing 0 as x is 0. In that case, x will be 0 plus 2y equals to 6. Yes or no? So 0, so
Yes.
y will be equals to 6 by 2, which is 3. I've got the answer.
Yes.
Second pair. Now put
Yes.
one thing. If I put x equals to 2 and y equals to 2, 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
You have to just randomly put the numbers to make the equation 0. These two things will be same. You have one in the first solution, you have to make x or y 0. You can take any of them. In the second solution, do the same thing for x or y. If you have taken the x in the first solution as 0, in the next solution, take y as 0. So you have got the x, you have got the two solutions. In the next two, just put the random numbers like 1 or 2 to make the equation satisfied.
Okay.
In that case, can I write in the third solution x plus 2y equals to 6? If I put y and 2y is equals to 0, 2 plus 2 into 2, which is 6. 2 plus 4 equals to 6, which is 6 equals to 6. Is it true or false?
True.
Yes, it's true. Obviously, it's true. Yes or no, Simran?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, just a second. So now we have to find the last solution. Let's take, this is the fourth solution, x plus 2y is equals to 6. So now try to think what we can do. We can do one thing. We can put x equals to 4, y equals to 1. This will also be equals to 6. 4 plus 2 into 1 is equals to 6. Yes or no? 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So 6 is equals to 6. Is this true? Is it true or false?
True.
So you will say that in the last line, try to solve this in manner in your school exam, because this would be much easier. So if you write only box, so your teacher will say that this will be very great to show the calculations to teacher. Does it take any time, extra time?
No.
Only 2-minute calculation is there.
Yes.
Because if you show the calculations to the teacher, so teacher would be very satisfied that the student know the concept. Okay, so now you will write that the solutions of linear equation x plus 2y equals to 6 are 2, 2, 3, 0, so not 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, and 4, 1. Now we have got the 4 answers. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Any doubt, dear?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take another question to find out the solutions. If I give you 3 minutes to solve 3 equations, will you be able to find out the solutions of them? Easy? At least try. I'm there, na? Try. Don't worry about it. I'm there. I will help you. If you are not able, like, if you don't solve it, I will let you know how to solve it.
Okay.
Don't get scared while trying. Unless and until you are not going to practice or at least give it a try to the question, you are not going to understand whether what question is saying, basically, what's the concept behind the question. You have to find out. I will just a second. I will solve the first one so that you can understand. First one is 4x plus 3y equals to 12. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Let me make a box here. Okay. We have to find only 2 solutions, not more than that. So it's easier to find out only 2 solutions.
Yes.
Make zeros to any of them. So first case of 4x plus y, 3y equals to 12. Now Simrat, put y equals to 0, you will get the x.
Yes.
Four x equals to 12. So x will be equals to 12 by 4, which is 3. So 3 is the answer. Is the first pair is this. B. 4x plus 3y equals to 12. Put y equals to 0, x is equals to 0. 4 into 0 plus 3y equals to 12.
12.
So 3y equals to 12. So y will be 12 by 3 equals to 4. All the 2 pairs are there. One is 3, 0 and another is 0, 4. We need only 2 solutions. We have got the 2 solutions. Is it difficult?
Yes. No.
Isn't it easy?
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Try the second, 2 and 3rd, and then let me know. Solve the proper question.
What?
Yes, dear, what?
What?
Solve the second question and 3rd question.
Okay. I can't see the question.
Just a second. Is that clear now?
Yes. Why is there no x in the last question?
So it is easier to solve now if there is no x.
How?
How? Okay, solve it. Give it a try at least. Done, Simran?
I don't know how to do the last one.
Okay. Have you done the second one?
Yes.
Okay. Just okay. So let's look at the second one. Are you sure that you have done the second one? I'm so that we can skip it if you have find the answer. But tell me what's the answer? What's the pair?
0 by 2 comma 0
0
by 2 comma 0.
Are you writing the first thing 0 by 2 comma 0?
Yes.
Okay, next pair.
0 comma 05.
Is that the thing?
Yes.
Simran, tell me if you divide, if you have 0 by 2, can you write it at 0? Why are you saying 0 by 2?
I
Tell
don't
me.
know.
That's a very basic thing, dear. Don't do these kinds of mistakes. Okay, let me solve it again. The second part, because I think you are not clear, still not clear. Second is 2x plus factor. Make a box of put x equals to 0.
Yes.
So y will be equals to 0 by 5 basically, which is 0 as well, which means that y will be 0. You can take anything. If you have put it x equals to 0, so you can also write just a second. 2 5 1, put y equals to 1, and you will get just a second. In the this is the a part, this is the b part. So 2x plus 5 into 1 equals to 0, yes or no? 2x plus 5 will be equals to 0. 2x will be equals to minus 5. So 2x will be equals to minus 5 upon 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Have you got it?
Yes.
Very good. Next, third one. The third one is the easiest one. 3y plus 4. So Simran, tell me in this question basically, sorry. Just a second. Yeah. So can I write this equation as 0x plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0? Yes or no, Simran?
Yes.
The concept which I have taken in the previous class. This is x. This is one. So now, Simran, tell me, if you put any value at x, the answer will be minus 4 by 3, yes or no?
Yes.
Why? Because if you suppose put x equals to 1. So 0 into 1 plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. So this will be 0. So y will be equals to minus 4 by 3, yes or no?
Yes.
Now put x equals to 0. Okay, again put x equals to 0. This is a part. This is b part. 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 0 will be 0 into 0 will be 0. So what you will get? 3y plus 4 again equals to 0, which is y equals to minus of 4 by 3. Which means that, is that clear now, Samrat? Why we are getting again and again two values same of y? Because there is no x. If you write this equation in this standard, if you put any value of x, the answer will be same.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. I'm giving you one thing to write it down in your note. You can say, just a second. I'm giving you. Just a second. Simran, tell me in this question what is the answer? It's a objective type question. You have to give the answer, like the explanation why it is and why it is not. Do it in your copy and let me know.
Okay.
Yes, Simran, done.
I'm doing.
Okay, solve it. Giving you more minutes.
Okay. It has infinitely many solutions.
Yes, dear.
It has infinitely many solutions.
Yes, dear. Correct. Yes, dear. Correct. Why? Let me know the explanation first.
Because uh,
Yes, Simran.
if you put any number in y, x will still have the same solution.
Okay, that's great. Because Simrat, I've already told you that in linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes or no, dear?
yes.
Very good. So that's why, just a second. So any doubt in this?
No.
Very good. So Simrat, almost we have completed our chapter. Some numericals is left out.
Okay.
Okay.
There's graph also.
Yes, dear?
There's graph also.
No, graph is not there.
Graph is there. Teacher told us graph will be there.
Plotting of graph.
I
Plotting
think.
of graph.
Yes.
Okay, I will. Okay, no issues. I'm okay. So we will just. I'm covering the plotting of graph as well.
Okay.
Okay, just okay. Let me so write it down. Graphical representation basically. Okay. Just a second. So suppose this is our graph, right? Okay.
Yes.
So suppose x plus just a second. So let's take this example. Which example we were taking? X plus 2y equals to 6. So x
Yeah.
plus 2y equals to 6. So now Simrat, we have the solution of this as well, because this is the same question that we have taken in just previous example. So we need only 2 points to basically draw a graph of the linear equation in two variable. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I just forgot to switch on my video. Sorry for that. X and y. Yes or no? So if you put
Yes.
0, you will get y equals to 3. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
In the previous, this was the same previous example that we have taken.
Yes.
Yes or no? So if you put 0,
Yes.
2y equals to 6 will be left and 2 will be in division. So 6 by 2 will be 3. So x is 0, but y is 3. If you put y equals to 0, x will be directly 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, just a second. Let me take this graph on this side. Just a second. So that. Okay. So now, Simran, tell me, dear, if how, so this is our graph. So this is our origin. Yes or no? This is 1.
Yes.
This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. I'm just extending a little bit. 5 and 6. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Okay. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4. Yes or no, Simran? Now, Simran, our
Yes.
first point, first pair of solution is this. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 0, 0 is there at x and 3 is here. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
And the next point is y is 0. Y is 0 and x is 6. This is the point. So you have got 2 points, yes or no? This point and this point. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
If you join these 2 points, Imran, just a second. Just a second. It's a little. Let me join here. Yeah, now almost. Click it. So now this is the line which is x plus 2y equals to 6. Any doubt?
No, it's easy.
It's easy, na?
Yeah.
All the concepts in mathematics are easy. Just a little bit explanation needs to be there. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure. Let's
Yes.
take one more example and plot the graph as well on that. Let me take the same examples on the NCERT itself. Let's take 4x plus 3y equals to 12.
Okay.
Plus 3y equals to 12. We need a box for the solution pattern. And how many solutions do we need? Only 2. 2 will be
2.
enough. 2 solutions, 2 pair of solutions is enough to draw a graph of the linear equation. Okay, so this is our graph. So now Simrat, tell me, if I put y equals, this is x, this is y. If I put y 0, x will be 3. And if I put y x 0, y will be 4.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure now? Because we have just
Yes.
done the same example. That's the main case.
Mm.
This is our
Yes.
origin. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes or no? 1,
Yes.
2, 3, and 4. So now first pair, x is 3, y is 0. Y is 0, x is 3. So our first point here. Let me take this point with a different marker. Our first point is this. Clear? X is 0 and y is 4. This is our another point. Join the line. Just a second. Actually, I don't have scale right now. I'm just drawing free-handedly. So that's why it's a little bit displacement. Okay. So just ignore that. And when you will draw on the graph paper, you will get the exact symmetry. All right. So this will be 4x plus 3y equals to 12. Any doubt, Simrat?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Isn't it easy?
Yes.
If the points are there, if the points are given, will you be able to draw that line on the graph? Because these are points now. In this, we have calculated the points. In the question, maybe you have given the points itself. So this would be much easier to you. You don't have to calculate anything. Just put the points on the graph and join them. Isn't it easy?
Yes.
Now, if you are clear, just be honest. Let me know.
Easy.
Any doubt in this?
No.
So graph is also done.
Yes.
In the next class, in the Wednesday class, in half of the class, we will do the numericals apart from NCERT. And after that, we'll start which chapter? Polynomials chapter.
Okay.
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 Have you basically? I need similar. There's a school like. Have you got the syllabus from school in a PDF format? Because I need the breakup of chapters. Basically, which chapter has how much weightage, number of marks per chapter. Basically, there would be a
We didn't
breakage
get
of chapter.
syllabus only.
Yes.
We didn't get syllabus only this year.
That's a very rare thing.
It's the first time we didn't get syllabus.
Okay. Because actually this would be much easier to understand, so that like the chapters which we have covered, we will get the idea that how much marks will be there basically for each chapter.
Yes.
Okay, so no issues. If not, so we are almost done with the second chapter. For which one? First one is fourth chapter. Yeah, fourth chapter. We are done with the fourth chapter. So now you can see that the speed is on now. Like you are
Yes.
progressing in a very good manner. So that's why we are doing the chapters in a very speed. Okay, but if we are doing this, revise the concepts as well, dear. That's my request to you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I will share some homework. I'll share some homework questions to you. Solve them and let me know by the Wednesday. And after this class, there is an assessment of linear equation. It's a very easy assessment. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So I will share some homework, and almost we are done with the linear equation in two variables as well. And only I will take some extra numericals apart from NCERT from the internet, so that we can have a variety of questions in the class. And when you will solve the all-in-one book, which you have basically, first solve the NCERT, then all-in-one book.